but I don't want you here. Yeah.
Welcome on back, guys. I know it's been such a long time since I dropped a video, but if you guys keep up with me on Instagram, you'll know that Caleb recently had the flu and an ear infection, so I was kind of out of it with the production of videos for a while, but he's better, so I am back. Today I'm going to be sharing a quick little DIY organization of my laundry room. As you guys know, we're currently transitioning over to a more holistic lifestyle, so I felt like it was the perfect time to just go ahead and clear out all of my old toxic products and give my laundry room just, a clean, minimal look. So currently in the laundry room, I keep all of AJ's work clothes, all of the laundry products, as well as the overflow of our tissues and paper towels. So I really wanted to just get it nice and clean and organized. I went by Family Dollar and I picked up these baskets. The bigger ones were $4 and the smaller ones were $2. Most importantly, I wanted to clean out the laundry room. I wanted to get rid of all of those products like the Arm & Hammer, the Downy, and the bleach. I haven't used bleach in so long. I actually hand make our washing powder and our bleach now. So I wanted to get rid of all of those old products and replace them with the new clean products. So the first thing I did was remove everything from the shelves. I knew off bat that I wanted to use one of the large baskets to organize AJ's work clothes. So I went through and refolded all of them and then nice and neatly put them in the basket. And then the second large basket, I knew that I wanted to use it for the paper towel and the toilet paper overflow. You guys know that we are a family of 7, so we run through paper towels and toilet paper like nobody's business. So I buy the huge pack from Sam's, and then I just put the overflow in this basket so we can quickly grab it whenever we need them. And then for the smaller baskets, I use those for the washing powder, bleach, and peroxide, and the iron. At first, I was only going to use one of the smaller baskets, but I realized that I didn't have a spot for the iron. So I readjusted the smaller basket and was able to get both of them up there. So one basket has all of the laundry essentials, and then the other basket has the iron and just some little stuff that we had thrown around the laundry room that needed a home. Once I got the shelf all organized, I had to get rid of all of those random hangers. I decided to just stick with the one style plastic white hangers. I felt like it kind of just looked better instead of just having them all over the place. And that is it. Here is the final results of me revamping my laundry space. I really love how it looks. It's very simple. I know exactly where everything is, and I love that it has like a clean look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy these kind of videos, these little DIY around the house with me videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I do plan on sharing my recipe for my washing powder and bleach, so be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. You guys know. Anyways, until our next video. Bye, guys.